Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Sony WF-C710N and the fan favorite WF-C700N. The C700N earned a lot of love for their compact design, comfortable fit, and fantastic noise-canceling performance. On the other hand, Sony is back with a brand new C710N, promising better noise cancellation, longer battery life, and some sleek new finishes. On top of that, they've added features like AI-powered voice pickup and automatic wearer detection to the mix. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two wireless earbuds and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and fit. The C700N are known for being sleek, compact, and incredibly comfortable. Their 5mm drivers allow for a small form factor, and they just twist and slide into place with ease, perfect for long listening sessions or staying secure during workouts. On the other hand, the C710N keeps the same compact profile overall, but they're slightly bigger and heavier, so there might be a small trade-off in comfort. In terms of style, they still come in black and white, but Sony has swapped lavender and sage for two bold new finishes. Honestly, that translucent look is a head-turner. It's a fun design twist that helps them stand out. Both models use magnets to snap into the charging case, making it super easy to store them without fumbling. That case on the C710N is a bit chunkier than the C700Ns, but the overall aesthetic remains minimal and modern. So, if you value lighter weight and subtle pastels, the C700N still holds strong. But if you're after a funkier design and don't mind a bit more bulk, the C710N might just win you over. Moving on to controls and usability, both earbuds offer different user experiences. The C700N come with classic physical buttons that give you a satisfying click. For some users, especially those on the go or using gloves, that tactile feedback can be super helpful. On the other hand, the newer C710N switch things up with modern touch controls. They're sleeker and arguably more intuitive once you get used to them, but they can sometimes be less reliable in wet or sweaty conditions. That's something to consider if you're planning to use these during workouts or commutes. Another usability tweak is the addition of automatic wearer detection in the C710N. This means your music automatically pauses when you take the buds out and resumes when you pop them back in. It's a convenience feature the C700N simply doesn't offer. If you're someone who prefers clear, dependable feedback, the C700N's buttons might be more up your alley. But if you love a clean, modern touch interface and appreciate extra smart features like wearer detection, the C710N pulls ahead here. When it comes to features and app support, both earbuds are pretty well equipped for their price. The C700N support the standard SBC and AAC codecs, and it's still decent for most casual listeners. Through Sony's Sound Connect app, you can tweak button functionality and choose to prioritize either audio quality or connection stability. They also support for Sony's digital sound enhancement engine, which upscales low-res files to make your music sound cleaner and fuller. You also get adaptive sound control and multi-point Bluetooth, letting you stay connected to two devices and switch between them seamlessly. On the other hand, the C710N include all these same features and build on them. The AI-powered voice pickup tech is new, making phone calls clearer by isolating your voice and filtering out background noise. So for pure feature set, the C710N edge ahead. But if you're not into smart automation and just want solid, reliable functionality, the C700N still have plenty to offer. In terms of noise cancellation, this is where the C710N really aim to set themselves apart. While the C700N already offer solid ANC performance for the price, the C710N take things a step further. They feature dual noise sensor technology, which means each earbud now includes two microphones for a more advanced ANC experience. This promises a significant jump in performance, especially in cutting out background chatter and low-frequency noise, like engines or air conditioners. The C700N still hold up well, especially in quieter environments or for casual users. But if you're constantly battling street noise, a noisy gym, or office buzz, the enhanced ANC on the C710N could make a noticeable difference. Both earbuds also include Sony's wind noise reduction structure to keep things clear during phone calls. So while the C700N offered decent noise control for most people, the C710N clearly take the lead here thanks to their upgraded mic system. If blocking out the world is high on your list, the C710N are shaping up to be the better pick. Now let's talk about the battery life, and this is one area where the C710N deliver a major win. The C700N provide about 7.5 hours of playback with ANC on, and the case adds another 15 hours for a total of 22.5 hours. That's decent, but the C710N blow that out of the water. With ANC turned on, they last 8.5 hours on a single charge, and the case brings you all the way up to a whopping 30 hours total. That's nearly double the battery life, and that's before we even talk about using them without ANC. Turn off noise cancellation, and you get a jaw-dropping 40 hours of total use from the C710N. So, in this category, the C710N are the clear winner. As for my final verdict, the Sony C710N is a top-tier pair of budget wireless earbuds that checks a lot of boxes. So, if you care most about pure audio performance and want the best bang for your buck, the C700N might still be the better buy. But if you're after all-day battery life, stronger noise cancellation, and smart convenience features, the C710N are absolutely worth it. Either way, both are excellent options. It just depends on what you value most.